You need to enable Microsoft Entra ID authentication for SQL Server 1. What must you configure first? The options are A. An Azure AD administrator, B. An access policy, C. A system-assigned managed identity, or D. A user-assigned managed identity. This scenario explores the setup requirements for modern identity-based access within Azure SQL environments. When integrating cloud-based identity services with database resources, there are specific prerequisites to ensure secure and managed connections. Understanding the configuration hierarchy is essential for enabling database-level authentication using enterprise directory services. I believe the correct answer is A, an Azure AD administrator. When you intend to use Microsoft Entra ID for authentication, the SQL Server instance requires a designated administrative identity to establish this trust and manage the authentication process. This setting acts as the foundational step before any directory-based logins can be utilized. Regarding the other options, managed identities, whether system-assigned or user-assigned, are primarily used for resources to authenticate to other services, not for configuring the authentication method for the SQL Server itself. Similarly, access policies serve a different purpose in managing permissions. A helpful exam tip is to remember that for database services, the initial identity link is established through the administrator setting rather than general access controls.